Let's make sliced face design. First, create multiple copies of the face layer by pressing Ctrl+J. He unviewed all layers except first face layer. Then make path from pen tool of particular face area. Once done, by pen tool selection. Then press Ctrl+Enter key to make selection. Now after make selection, press mask button on the layer panel and mask all the area from face except selection. Now on second face layer, make low the opacity of the second layer. So then you can see difference between the layers to make proper selections. Then repeat the process and make multiple selections of the face and mask them. After completing this process, transform each layers by pressing Ctrl+T, place and rotate each layer as you want. Now unviewed all layers except first layer, create blank layer above the first layer, and make selection and adjust it on the top of the sliced face shape. By transform the layer with the help of warp transformation by press Ctrl+T and fill it with any color. Now repeat the same process in each sliced face. Once done, then create blank layer above the color selection layer and make shadow by the help of brush tool. Repeat the process in each layer. Now make a shadow below the whole sliced face. Now your sliced face design ready.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for more interesting and informative videos.